What is up, everybody? Rick here, coming at you with an unboxing. Oh, out of focus. Um, Before I get into that, though, if you like knife content, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video. Everything in this video will be linked down below. My hat's on crooked. What's going on here? There are affiliate links down there as well, but it's totally up to you if you choose to use them. They don't cost you a thing. And if you're gonna buy a knife, use somebody's affiliate link because it helps with the knife channels and it's greatly appreciated. And yeah, anyways, what do we got here? I've a brand I have never experienced before. From my understanding, people are pronouncing it like I thought it was like right from the gut, Amrite, but Ameight is what people are saying. Ameight knives. Apparently, this is made by Migron, which another brand I've never experienced. So I'm kind of excited. I saw this on a Metal Complex unboxing, so I was like, that looks like it's right up my alley. Want to check that out? It was on sale, so here we are. So which one we got, huh? Um, yeah, you don't got much on the boxing, huh? It just says folding knife AME 006 BK dose 2. It is. Oh man, I just looked it up. What was it called? Damn, I don't remember. A sleeve. Preyert II. That's what it's called. We got a box, a sleeve, a box within a sleeve. What do we got in here? All right, we got professional, reasonable, satisfactory. That's how you get a. I will be checking out these links right after this video. I know nothing about them. You got your microfiber cloth. You got a sticker. Do that. Sticker, cloth. And then you got the knife. You got a pouch. You got your little packet. Let's throw that stuff back in there. Let's throw that back in there. Let's throw this back in here. Boom. Set that aside. All right, let's check this out. QC pass. That's good. Oh, okay. Hold on. Give me a sec. Let me collect my thoughts here. Right off the bat, I'm just gonna say that she's a hefty knife, and I like it. All right, she's a hefty knife. This milling, so titanium scales. This milling feels so good. I can't explain why this feels so good. This is like very can we get this on? Can we hear it? A little ASMR. It is very nice to touch. This thing is yeah, okay. Yeah. So milling is great right off the bat. The weight I like. We got titanium back spacer, awesome. Titanium pocket clip, which has some okay. That's gonna be okay. We got a flipper. Okay, flipper's got some jimping up here. It's a frame lock, obviously. Captive pivot, that's cool. Got flipper and we got a fuller. We're going fuller first. Oh, I hate when I mess up the first one. Definitely running on bearings. It's getting warm up here. Oh, look at that. Look at that blade. Compound grind. Got hollow on the bottom, full on the tip. We got like a poon swedge up here. Oh, this is like right up my alley. I like this. Oh, feels great. Um, this is a DLC coated M390 blade. That is the only billboarding. It just says M390 on the corner there. Love that. That is a very attractive looking blade, in my opinion. I love this coloration. I mean, if you want to call it reverse tux, but this isn't your typical like just raw titanium. It's like it reminds me of what they call it, shadow chrome. I have some what is who makes those scales? AWT. I have some scales of theirs for a Manix too that is kind of like this color, and they call it shadow chrome. And it's not what they're gonna call it, but it's a titanium. It's a bead blasted. I don't remember. Looks like it's bead blasted. I'm not gonna get into it. This is just a first impression unboxing video. The full review will come down the road once I get a chance to carry it. Um, Action is shake shut. It's good. Probably break in a little more. Running on bearings for sure. Blade centering is centered. What's the hardware? Let's check out the hardware. I almost poked myself in the palm there. When assembling, disassembling knife, it is important to have decent torque bits to lessen the chance of stripping. I don't think that's what that is. Stripping the bits. So Weha is a trusted brand. They're linked down below in the description. Oh, I should have went with my gut. So we got T8 pocket clip, T8 body screw, T8 pivot, T8s all around. Love that. Love it. Stainless steel over travel. Is there milling? There is some milling in there in the scales. There's milling down there for weight reduction, but this thing's heavy. How heavy is it? That's a good question. Let's look. I usually measure first, but I'm not going to today because the weight is what stands out. 5.3 ounces. What is the width, the length? Where's Stanley? Tip to butt. We're looking like right on the nuts, 8.5 inches. A blade of 3.75 with a cutting edge of 3.25. Awesome. That is like the perfect. That's like what I like to carry. This is right up my alley. I love this. This is good. Exciting. Yeah, that's the video. It's just an unboxing. First impressions. I'm gonna throw it in my pocket. I'll be carrying this one around. I'm excited. Review down the road. Hey, if you haven't, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, drop a comment down below. Tell me your thoughts on this bad mamma jamma. Tell me if you got one. I saw there's some different colors. That wasn't an option when I looked at it, so let me know what other configuration you got. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Rick's Knives. Join the party over there. Uh, yeah, that's what I got. I hope you all have a great rest of your day.